Hello! Today I will show you how to clear app cache and data on NOTHING CMF Phone Pro 2. To start, open Settings, go into Apps and choose any of your app. Then, force stop, open Storage and Cache, and clear cache. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.